Hello, my name is Michael Shvilevsky and I'm the main and the only developer of Leng project. So definitely I'm going to make a little guide through the whole site so you can get like explanation what does my project do. So maybe I would like to start from about page. Okay, so as you can see, we provide the new level, the new way to learn English. We serve a new level of efficiency in learning English through self-dictionaries and connect with other people. So, as you can see, we have a built-in landing page. So, I consider it as a well-built landing page. So, you can leave a feedback after using our site, or also you can support us, but definitely just support me because I'm the only developer of this project. So okay, let's get straight back to our project. We have done with our landing page. What function do we provide? Of course, I will use this site as I use it for my first time. What am I going to do first? Of course, I'm going to sign up. And at the first look at our site, we see the leaderboard where we have the list of our users, etc. So definitely it's not real one, but okay, there's test users. So we don't have account, so we press register. My username is going to be Michael Shpilevsky, main dev 123. My email address is like that. I'm now going to show my password. So you can ask me, why didn't I add the function like people would be able to press the I and see their password? Because I think it's one of the layers of our security. So if someone really wants to, he will be able to remember like 8 or 9 characters. So we press sign up and we get on our site. We see the leaderboard and 5 new like links are popping up. So let's start from this. It is our profile, so definitely I have made the base for a little social media. Right now, what can you do right here? You can change the cover of your background. So I would make it, for example, something like that. Okay, because we learn English, it's Britain. Then I press change profile. I can change the avatar. I pick up the file, for example, my photo, and like there. I pick up my photo. Okay, so I can change my nickname. This is my the username. You can't change it, but you can change your nickname. So also you can change your password. So it wouldn't be so hard to do. Just press this button. It's built in. Maybe it looks weird here, but to be honest, I don't really think that a lot of users will have such long nicknames. And so yeah, we have my profile. What am I going to do first? I'm going to start with dictionaries. For example, yesterday I've seen the film called Green Book, and I will call this table like Green Book. And here I want to write the translation in local language and in English. For example, a native Russian speaker, and this is my native language. And for example, I learned word cup. Maybe someone doesn't know, for example. In Russian, I write it, and then I translate it in English. So we send it, and we have the like that table. We have the table, okay. So and here we just add, and we definitely we just add new words. It's not that hard, but this is only a small part of our book. For example, if I want to search for other users, I type, for example, Michael or Misha, and you can see the profile of this guy. So, okay, straight back to it. So, as you have already seen, we can check other users' profile pages, and now you can ask me a question. What does these numbers mean? Like, this is the ELO. This is our like ranking system. Like face it, is go or Dota 2. Like it is your like points. So when you win the game. Oh, I didn't tell you about games. Of course, I didn't. So maybe right now it will be hard for me to show how do they work because I'm the only one, and it will be a bit hard to bring someone who a little fluent in English to record a video. So, but definitely it was good explained in our landing page. And as you can see here, we get game. Leng provides various multiple games, ensuring there is a way in new and exchange for users to enjoy. But definitely it badly describes what game actually do. So maybe I'm going to find this way in the paint. So for example, we have player one called Ben, and we have like boy called Collins, for example, Collins. Um, they have like score, like Ben 0 and Collins 0. And they just playing games. Firstly, Ben writes a word in local language and translation in English. Then Collins writes words to Ben writes word to translate to Collins, and Collins after that um, writes words for Ben. So they just go one by one. Then Ben starts to guess what does Collins words mean, and he like guesser. And then they switch back, and now Collins guess words which Ben has written. So it's not that hard to explain. And now I'm going to take a look of it. So now you will have like, now I have no games, but if I sign up for my admin account, I will have a lot of games. And for example, past games. So we see the words. If for example I answered correctly, it will be like a green cross, and after the match it writes like the winner of the match. It has the opportunity to start one more game, for example, for him with this guy, and I can also quit. And also we have like a score table where we have our scores. So I think it definitely will be clear if you will play it. Then, of course, we have our like chat function, and I can say hi and send it. Okay, we have built-in chat. So moving next. Also, we have the Q. So when I press the Q, okay, and now I hit Q button, but it wouldn't find anyone because I'm the only developer one. But to be honest, it really works. I have tested it a lot with my other accounts, but I can't show you because it will take a lot of long time and it wouldn't look fancy. So anyway, just like as you've seen, also my site is fully adapted for all screens, as you can see. The web page, it works very good. Like it really works and it's very nice. But so everything that you need to know is on landing page of my project. I have plans to bring a lot of other features um, which are written here, like support projects, adapt in different languages, mobile app, from content. Also, I have made the base for social media, so I hope I will add inbuilt blogs, and also maybe I will have some collaboration with English courses for complete beginners. So if you want to help me in developing this project, you can just donate me some money in crypto, but I don't like begging, so whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Just visit the site, register, sign up, login, and everything will be nice. Please just support my project a little bit.